Can education alone make a woman financially independent? Many women, though they are highly educated, worked in big organizations, they find it very hard to restart and they find it very hard to become financially independent because of these three reasons: marriage, motherhood, and elderly care. These caring responsibilities and lack of flexible opportunities and lack of flexibility is making a lot of women to be financially dependent. But if you are someone who is looking to restart your career, then this video is for you. The moment we have decided to restart, many of us think that we have to restart in the same field or in the same industry where we have our education qualification and our work experience. But let me tell you, as a young mother, it is very important to have a flexible work schedule which can really work for you. If you have to do that, then it's very important to find a skill that can give you that flexibility. So instead of just thinking and wanting to do something with your existing skills, be ready and open minded to reskill yourself so that you can find that one skill that can help you to restart. So, what are all the skills? What does it mean by skills which can provide flexibility? As a young mother, it is evident that you cannot put a lot of time into your career. You cannot put a lot of time and you may not be able to travel every single day to your workplace. So, if you can find a skill that can help you with the flexibility of time and place, that's what you're looking for. What are all the skills that can provide you with this flexibility? Content writing, copywriting, graphic designing, video editing, website designing. Like these, there are several skills which can help you to restart with a very minimal investment in time and investment in money. How to upskill? Okay, now we understood what are all the skills in which we can upskill, but how to find some reliable, worthy materials with which we can upskill ourselves. There are three free platforms which can help us with these reliable learning tutorials. Number one is Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and LinkedIn Learning. All these three platforms are free to use, and you have n number of materials in different industries and different skill sets. All we have to do is invest that time on ourselves and keep learning. Now we know what are all the skills which we can consider. But what about the industries which can provide these flexible work opportunities? Let me list five industries which can open up a lot of flexible opportunities for you. The first industry is technology and IT services. With the rise in AI, automation, and digital transformation, more and more opportunities are coming up for cloud computing, cyber security, software development, so on and so forth. You can literally tap a lot of good, reliable, flexible opportunities with some big MNCs. All we need to do is enable ourselves. E-commerce and retail tech. With more number of people using online shopping and digital payments, more and more opportunities are coming up for e-commerce managers and logistics analysts. So if we can understand the nuances of this industry and make ourselves an expert in this, n number of opportunities again. Renewable energy and sustainability. This is a new industry which is currently picking up. Government bodies and lot of private organizations are getting into this industry, and lot of people are going to get wonderful opportunities through this industry. There are several courses in platforms which is related to sustainability development. For example, in ADX we have a course called Sustainability Development which is given by Columbia University. So there are several courses which is focused on this, and if we can upskill ourselves in these courses, we can get an opportunity in this industry. Then media and entertainment, as usual, more and more content creators are coming up, and we need a lot of video editors, content strategists, and so on and so forth. So if you are someone who is interested in this industry, you can very well upskill yourself in this. And finally, as women, most of us are interested in education and e-learning. There are still a lot of good opportunities for online tutors, curriculum designers who can teach and deliver and help other people through their expertise. So now we know what are all the skill set in which we have to upskill, what are all the industries that are giving the opportunities. But whatever we upskill, whatever we do, we have to face and handle the rejections, because as a career restarter, it is not going to be easy. There will be a lot of people who will be having an unconscious bias towards people like us, and they may find that our profile is irrelevant. They may find that our career break is a big thing. But what we have to understand is it is just a roadblock. All we have to do is keep prepping here, keep doing, keep taking effort, keep learning, and keep applying and improving. That is the only thing that is in our hands. And it is also about consistency. Most of us want to restart. We may work for a month or two, but then we will apply for the opportunities forever. It is not going to work this way. If you are someone who is really keen in restarting, then you have to make it in a way that you have to learn, you have to apply, and you have to improve on a daily basis. And this process we have to be ready to follow at least for the next 6 to 1 year. That's when we'll end up in a very good opportunity. So always remember, it is very important to become financially independent, not just for us, but for all. And money, it is not just about that numbers or paper. It is more about self belief, empowerment, and freedom.